Hi there! Welcome to this exclusive demo of AI Pixel Perfect, the revolutionary AI-driven image creation and editing software designed to transform the way you handle visuals. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to create stunning images, graphics, and more, all with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. AI Pixel Perfect Dashboard. Here, you'll have a complete overview of your image generation stats, including the total number of images generated and quick links to jumpstart your creative journey. Let's explore the AI Images section, where creativity meets technology. This section is packed with powerful features designed to make your image editing process seamless and efficient. So, are you ready for the magic number 1? Click on AI Image Generation here. Simply enter your desired prompts, which could be anything from sunset over the mountains to modern cafe interior. Next, choose the number of outputs you want, anywhere from 1 to 4. You can also customize the image dimension, opting for square, portrait, or landscape to perfectly fit your intended use. Within seconds, our AI generates high-quality images ready for your use. Imagine being able to craft eye-catching social media posts that stand out in a crowded feed, or creating promotional banners that are both visually stunning and relevant to your audience. This tool empowers you to produce visuals that not only captivate but also communicate your brand message effectively. Next is AI Image Editing 1. Fashion. Style your subjects in trendy outfits or modify existing apparel to match your vision. This tool is a goldmine for fashion designers, clothing brands, and stylists who can provide product cataloging services to clients and charge the equivalent of a model photoshoot price. It simplifies the process of visualizing apparel on different body types and in various styles. 2. Background Remover. Easily remove backgrounds from images to isolate subjects or create transparent images. Perfect for e-commerce businesses needing clean product shots, marketing agencies creating standout visuals. 3. Face Generation. Generate realistic faces from scratch or enhance existing portraits with AI precision. Ideal for graphic designers, digital artists, or anyone in need of a vast array of human faces for their projects. For super resolution, enhance the quality of your images, making them clearer and more detailed. This is essential for anyone needing high-quality prints. Professional photographers and media outlets can significantly benefit from this enhancement. 5. Image Mixer. Blend multiple images into one, creating unique compositions with ease. Photographers, digital marketers, and content creators can use this feature to produce eye-catching collages and mixed media art pieces. 6. Relight. Adjust the lighting of your images to make them look more natural or dramatic. This feature is also great for real estate agents wanting to showcase properties in the best light. 7. Image Guided Editing. Refine your images using AI suggestions based on the content. Graphic designers and artists will appreciate the ease of perfecting an image with smart suggestions that enhance its beauty. 8. Depth to Image. Transform the age of any person in your images with a simple click. Make them look younger or older, adding a powerful storytelling element to your visual content. 9. Multi-View. Generate multiple views of a subject from a single image. Real estate agents, architects, and interior designers can create comprehensive multi-view presentations of properties, offering clients a 3D-like experience. 10. Blip Diffusion. Smooth out imperfections and enhance image quality. It's perfect for high-end fashion photography, product photography, and personal portraits that demand top-tier quality. 11. Magic Mix. Combine and blend images with a touch of AI magic for a unique result. This tool is excellent for branding projects, advertisements, and social media campaigns. 12. In Painting. Remove or replace objects in your images seamlessly. Upload your image and specify the object you want to change and watch as the AI skill fully fills in the gaps. Want to create engaging animations? With the GIF generation tool, simply drag and drop any image, enter your prompt, and voila! You'll create a 4 to 5 second GIF, perfect for engaging social media content or enhancing any digital platform. Check out this dynamic GIF, showcasing the magic of bringing static images to life in a way that grabs attention and sparks interest. The deepfake image feature allows you to create a deepfake of a person. Upload the image you wish to alter and then add the target image. Let the AI seamlessly transform faces and expressions to match your desired targets. Experience the remarkable accuracy and realism as the AI morphs the original image, showcasing the power of cutting-edge technology in generating lifelike alterations. Moving on, the image-to-image feature. Simply drag and drop an image, enter your prompt, and select your desired output options. This feature effortlessly transforms your existing images into enhanced and visually captivating versions. Local businesses and marketers can revitalize their visual content, creating fresh looks for seasonal campaigns or special promotions perfectly tailored to captivate your audience. Look at the remarkable difference as the original image is transformed into something entirely new. Our stock section gives you access to a vast collection of over 15 million plus images, videos, and GIFs. Just enter a keyword, select a category, image, video, or GIF, and hit generate. You can view, download, save, or delete these files anytime, and share them across your social media platforms to drive leads, sales, and traffic. Discover a world of possibilities with our extensive stock library. Magic number 2 is waiting for you. Let's check out the AI graphics section. This drag-and-drop Canva-like graphic editor comes with over 3,000 pre-built templates tailored for any marketing need. Filter by size, choose the right size for your project. Sort by category, quickly find templates that suit your specific marketing goals. Search by name, locate the perfect template with ease. Preview any template, click on Edit, and unleash your creativity. Modify text, add shapes, include images, change backgrounds, or overlay new elements. Once your masterpiece is complete, download it in JPG or PNG format or save it as a template for future use. Watch your marketing goals come to life with our versatile templates. Next, we move to the My Assets, where you can manage all your completed artworks, organize them into dedicated folders for AI images, AI graphics, AI GIFs, and stocks. In the Settings area, manage your workspace, clients, team, white labeling, subscription, watch tutorials, contact support, and more. Let's dive deeper into 2 important features: Manage Clients and White Label. Manage Clients. Add new clients in one simple step. Enter the client's name, email, and the number of credits you wish to allocate. Hit the button, and the client's login details are sent directly to their email. Need to update or remove a client? Just click Edit or Delete. Effortlessly expand your business network with our streamlined client management. White Label, customize your or your client's dashboard effortlessly. Upload the logo in the suggested dimensions, hit save, and watch your branding come to life. Elevate your brand identity in seconds with our intuitive white labeling. I hope you're as amazed by AI Pixel Perfect as I am. This demo barely scratches the surface of what's possible. With endless potential for creativity and a seamless user experience, the future of image creation is here. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.